Ahead of the Edo 2024 governorship election and party primaries wey go shele for February 2024, Comrade Osarobo Idahosa, wey be leader for Ikpoba Okha, don do one meeting with some Ikpoba Okha ward chairmen, women leaders, youth leaders, among others, to tell them about wetin dem need to know and do for the APC governorship primary election wey go shele on Saturday, February 17, 2024. Leaders wey tanda for dis meeting na Honorable Pius Alile, Chief Edegbe Ubobu, Honorable Mike Omonuyi Atosun, Prince Siri Ogboru, James Umagbai, party faithfuls, among others. Comrade Osarobo Idahosa tok say the party decision dey supreme and na wetin the national leader of the party, Senator Comrade Oshiomhole, tell dem na im dem go follow, and say make everybody come out plenty on the 17th with their party card to vote sake of say the party don choose direct primaries and say dem no need Atiku of Edo or Ogboru of Edo.
Next week Saturday na our primary. Some of una dey here wey don enter politics since 1999. Some of una dey here wey don be politicians dey supplement their time. Una know say party supreme. Una know say leaders supreme. We no go change am. We go work with directly by the grace of God. We get some issues we go address now. This party wey dey APC, they don adopt direct primary, which is all carrying members. So they get one period wey we do registration. E get one slip wey they give us. There our picture dey. And that slip na we wan use. Today, they go start from verification today for those people. That is not evening or hear the news. They will start verification for those people who get that sleep. And we don't fit do on this evening, tomorrow, yes, at least we go know, see what you are dey try talk. This is what I don't say. Picture today, passport suppose dey here. Like this one we want to do the election. So that this one we need that day to take vote who the party say we want vote for. Some people they get criminal record. They get issue with EFCC. We know them. They must contest every 4 years. We know them. They know themselves. If they're facing like them, we talk to, like them, we talk to. This time around, Muku not doing. This time around, Muku don't wise. You don't feel the same pattern every day until they deceive us. You will come, you say they contest. Meanwhile, I could sell money. I could beg money up and down. They support you. At the end of the day, you know they will support yourself. This time around, we will not go waste our vote for those kind of people. We know them. They're the Atiku of Benin. They're the Ogboru of Benin. We know them. We don't fear them because we know what things that they do. We don't need them. We don't need them because we need winning. We don't need all the draws go back. So this time around, our effort will never be in vain. Amen. Nobody will draw us back again. Amen. Now ahead will they go. Amen. We will come out. We will forget what will happen. We will call our friends. Even those ones when they deceive, we will let them know the truth. When they tell them the truth, may all of them come out. We will support the party. We will not be opposition forever. Make we come out, make we support the leadership of the party. Any leader, any party organs, we want to disobey our national leader, we will disrespect them. Be who you are. So let them know. We are the party loyalists. We are party loyalists. We want to win the election. This is not business as usual.
Honorable Pius Alile, Chief Edegbe Ubobo, Edo South Senatorial Women Leader Esther Okparam, Ward 2 Chemo Ogbede Dey, Youth Leader Comrade Oshiomhole Monday, come talk say make nobody listen to the voice of anybody sake of say the party decision na be oga patapata and say anything wey their national leader talk na be final and say APC don ready to take Edo back.
Everybody is aware that next Saturday is our governorship primary. Me, I will beg everybody, by that Saturday, we all should mobilize in every ward, because the primary is all car carrier. All our party members in our local government, we all should come out that very day. I think that day we are going to call the results of Ikpoba Okha for the general election. Because me, I know APC has the majority in this local government. Abi?
So,
to beg everybody to come out. Tell all your people, all your friends, all your brothers, your sister, your mother, your father, and your children. Mobilize all of the heart that very day. Whoever the party wants on that day is who we are supporting.
so,
Abi? So, but the governor. Every time in the leader's time, Kapuja, Magahu,
Ikpoba Okha Dey is one constituency. Obviously, Ikpoba Okha, Ikpoba Okha, I am from Ikpoba Okha as well. So everyone, I'm always glad when I'm here. Ruda, when Wayario who is my very good brother. So, in leadership, our party move, the party move, I'm voting now. Because APC is a leadership party. But a leader, APC. And that leader is Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. He's the leader of this party. A directive there, follow. So when we're posting him, even we shoot. A directive here, a national woman that no Tiwa, Dr. Mary Alile, you went to come one, where you need man, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, on one year. And it's for Benin. We are doing so I get no DCB man.
It's from a local government.
Local government. So I get DCB man. We are waiting and a directive. Go. Yeah, I'm on. But the directive there, and that's a strong name. Or the second day, we shall know who owns the land. I don't really want I think what say, I think you are where I say.
The reason why we are here is the next election, which is governorship election. I want to tell you, we are not interested in your igele. We are not interested in your ibubu. We are interested in your voter's card. What did I say? Voter's card. What did I say? Voter's card. We are interested in your voter's card. This time around, if we don't win election, nobody will open this gate for you. We are doing accreditation now. You can see 7 people, 2 people, 3 people. Ikpoba Okha is not like that. Ikpoba Okha is not like that. That day of election, you will see us in action. And I want to use this opportunity to talk to all the women, the men, the old, the youth. I beg. We don't want borrow. We don't want borrow. We want people to know we for what we are. We want others to know us for what we are. This is Ikpoba Okha no car. Ikpoba Okha no car. So please, if you know you don't have your voter's card, today, I'm not talking of the men. I'm talking of all the women here. We are doing Operation Show Your Voters Card. We don't want the plenty foods. We want the few ones. Please, if you know, it's an advice. I want to advise you and also ask you, if you know you don't have a APC card, that day you cannot vote for us. Not be we dey contest, not be Osarobo dey contest. Osarobo is a leader of a local government who needs winning for his state, national and local government, ward and unit. So by the time you just come here, leader don't know, you don't have membership card, you don't have voters card, you are -0. We don't need you.
As our leaders often talk, by this time next week Saturday, we will bring the results of our primaries we will do for our respective wards. So, all of us will be here, make we go house, go do our proper homework. Now, who our supreme leader say make we carry, now we want carry. And the person na Comrade Adams Aliu Oshiomhole. Now Oshiomhole be our supreme leader for Edo State. Make we not let anybody deceive you. Anything when he tell us, now we go do. Now our leaders will do. But I want to get this one from mind. I beg. Next week Saturday night be our primaries. And also all of us will get voters card. If the time this show will take voters card for September 21, we will let you know. For this one now APC membership card. Now you go hold come. You go hold that card come. Wherever they send people for conduct the primaries, now there all of them will go. Now directive we dey follow for party. Party is supreme. Party is supreme. Nobody big pass this party. Party is supreme. Where party say make we go conduct the primaries, and then we go. Make we not listen to any rah from anybody. Now when it come from the leadership of the party, and we go follow. This one where we did so, now it will determine whether we go eat or whether we will stay hungry. We don't stay hungry 6 for 8 years. Now one go another hungry for another 8 years. Now we go hungry for another 8 years. Now the journey next start so. And I'm a filter. A guano, I beg. Waiting they tell us, waiting the leadership of this party tell us. Who they say we carry, now we go carry.
I want to thank everybody present here for today's progress. We are moving forward and not backward. We dey go front though, we not dey go back. As a matter of fact, before we go say, we beg everybody, make them fall out on that same day. We not dey beg again. It's not business as usual. If you know, say, the past election when it don't pass, the struggles and everything, look at us, we are still where we are. Some of them come up for this party, go PDP, we are still where we are. Now that same place when we did so, that will carry us go to the next level. We are very ready, sir. We are going to design our
very ready, sir.
at where
I'm
you.
very ready.
And as a matter of fact,
The
the
youth
youth need a
I'm
youth.
very ready, sir.
Make old
very
men.
ready.
My papa, me dey beg my
I'm
papa
very
make he retire. My papa don retire, just stay house. My papa na soldier. He don retire, he don dey stay house. He dey pray for me make I progress, so that make I give am wetin he dey find for life. We are all youth. Some of us are family men. We are both 40 something. So we are praying for the next level. We don't want any old man. When go pull out for pocket, they talk to us. The other hand never bring come out for pocket. We are tired of those things. As a matter of fact, as we have been working with this party for years, we have been working with directive. The directive will never change. It's so unfortunate that many of us they forget where we come. We are ready to move with the directive of the party. And that directive now will take work, they're not going to change that. Anybody wey don't want to abide by the directive, back your nose down.
Comrade Osarobo Idahosa for im talk with 3 people come talk say dem as leaders of the party don't stand for ground to follow wetin their leader tell them. E come still talk say
This meeting na all about assurance that Ikpoba will be great again. You know, the last result we'll get for Ikpoba was less than 4,400 votes. Na shameful thing to us, and we know the cost because the people will bring problem come our local government. When they come, we accept them. They endorse them. We follow. Before they come, people like some leaders they contest where they come meet. When they come, directives still come from the leader, same leadership say make all of us step down, support this same person. All of us obey. We support with everything. At the end of the day, betray yourself, not be we betray. So person wey don't advance, where they talk wetin you know say everything wey they talk na lie. This time I will not need those kind of people again. If you talk something, you go do wetin you talk. Don't be say you go talk finish, you go say na political talk be that one. No, we don't need those kind of people. We need person. If you claim say you not go dey spoil pastor name, say you be pastor and you not be pastor. You don't understand all those kind of things. So this time I want to correct the wrongs. Then make we call the meeting to encourage people say not be the business as usual, not be mocking the work, bamboo the shop again. This time if they work, they go benefit their sweat and their work. They go benefit and they go benefit from her. So we must encourage them so that make them come out because all of them don't tire before. They don't tire because of who they work different from who they chop the benefits. So now make we dey reaffirm them now say man, the leadership say make we tell them. Say this time I not be business as usual. If they come and work, they bring better results. The benefits they come, now then direct you go still go for.
James Umagbai, leader Ward 5, Honorable Mike Omonuyi Atusin, Prince Siri Ogboru, Koyan Tori people say.
The reason why we gather here today for Ikpoba Okha for our leader house, now to reassure our party members, say the primary elections now in 7 days time, 1 week from today. So we can't assure our party members, say, make them call all their friends, their family members, we register, we be party members, we they far, make them come back to house. Say time don't reach where the party wants selecting candidates. And this time around, we want to make sure say we win this election. So we dey appreciate our party leadership. Say they make good decision for the top. Say make them select sellable candidates. We go fit carry this party to win the election because this election where would they go so we know say na incumbent opposition that we dey face for this election where would they go so. That's why the party we dey rely on them to use their wisdom to take choose the best candidate for us. Like some of us now, we see say youth even dey the parade. So we dey happy say youth dey one of them. And we believe if you look the cap wey I wear, na Denko, na Dennis, na we dey support. So some of the youths we dey support Dennis and one make youths dey like us who we fit talk to. So that things go change for those states. We dey confident say we go win the election. If you see as people come out en mass, the women, old men, the youths come out say, okay, make we go vote, support Ikpoba Okha for this election. This time around, we want to win the election. And the last one we pass, that one don't pass. But the people where they cause problem, they don't come out. So now we dey ready to win this election, and we trust our youth and we trust our people say they will come out.
The purpose of this meeting today na to bring our people together, to tell them the way forward, how this primary will take happen on the 17th, that's next Saturday of February. That's why we call all of them to tell them what to do and everything. That if they go house, we then call all their people, we then tell all their people for different units, from different ward, we then mobilize all of them together against on Saturday primary election for the governor where we don't choose to be. Don't they make mistake 2 times. Even God know they are allowed to make mistake 2 times. The first one they make, he walk, they carry go. The second one, ancestors no make and walk. But this third one, so think everything is good to go. Oshobaba, he be doing before. Second mistake, but he no work. Ancestors will get the land, no make and work. But this third one now is good to go.
The reason why we are here is very simple, as our LGA leader, Comrade Osarobo Idahosa, have told you. We are here to reaffirm ourselves, to reassure ourselves that yes, we will continue to support and follow the leadership of our party. We are party men. and we see the decisions of our party to be superior to the interests of any individual.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.